We don't need no education. We don't need no thought control. No dark sarcasm in the classroom. Teacher, leave them kids alone. Hey! Teacher, leave them kids alone. All in all, it's just another brick in the wall. All in all, you're just another brick in the wall.
Wind energy and rare earths. Wind energy is a renewable and clean source of energy. But on the other hand, producing wind turbines from rare earths is a huge burden for the environment. Have you ever wondered if wind energy is really that environmentally friendly? China is the world leader in wind energy, with over a third of the world's capacity. It is also the largest exporter of rare earths, which are essential for production of wind turbines. But because of them, production is problematic. Due to low environmental and social standards in China, extensive rare earth production is possible there. Today, the country is working to achieve more environmentally friendly industrial production, and control and environmental standards are becoming stricter. But they are still far from the ones that are required in Europe, for example. Rare earths themselves are not so toxic for the environment compared to their extraction. In various extraction processes, strong acids are used, and waste generated in these processes accumulates in groundwater and surface water if not in designed pools. Extraction has environmental impacts. It causes soil degradation, water pollution. It affects animal and human health and vegetation. To reduce these impacts, replacing rare earths with other materials or reducing their use in the components of wind turbines is crucial. Many see renewable energy as a way to prevent or slow climate change. But we must be careful because it is clear there are ecological risks in the background. In wind energy, only 1% of all rare earths from used products is recycled. So, there are many unexplored chances for improvement. I believe this is what we should focus on in the future. Thank you for your attention.